of snow that fell one day. Welcome to Canada. How cold is it? Minus 15. I think minus 30 with the wind chill. Hey, what's up? Tonight I'm making supper for my mother. She's always making supper for everyone, so I figured I'll make her some supper sometimes. And, you know, de-stress her, make her relax, you know, always on the go. So, I'm making supper tonight, eh? We're having, mushrooms and some good old carrots. Those are good for your eyes. I think I need some. And, pork chops. And some nice sweet potatoes. Supper will be delicious. Wow. Put a little bit of lemon on here. Get it swirling up a bit. Give it some flavor. Seems good. Anyways, guys, supper last night was very good. Mother enjoyed it. Anyways, I gotta go off now, help a friend move out. So peace out and be kind.